Hi, welcome to another Spy with Si. This week's Spy with Si is a little bit different because I'm going to run you through the offices here at Ideal Homes before we do anything else, because they've got this going on this weekend. It's the summer open house. Now the summer open house is 3 days where you can come down, speak to the team here at Ideal Homes and find out some brilliant stuff on this one. Come in, let me walk you into the offices. Mi casa, tu casa. Here we have today, and tomorrow, and Friday as well, all day. Teams from the currency departments, the rental departments, the taxi departments, the finance departments, the architects and lawyers too, all here to answer any questions that you've got on property buying, selling and on management. Follow me, I want to tell you something outside. Don't want this lot to hear. Shh, come on. So the idea is that today, tomorrow and Friday, it's an open house. You come down, you can speak to any of the guys if you have any questions at all on anything to do with house buying, house selling, house management, property management, anything like that. These guys are here, especially for you this weekend. Friday, the big one Friday, we have a barbecue, especially down here for you at 4 o'clock. You guys are welcome to come down to the barbecue, enjoy some food with us. It's called Flamed and Flamingoed. What we're asking you to be is a flamingo in a flock of pigeons, i.e. don't choose the rest, choose the best. Join us this week, Thursday, Friday, for the big event, the open summer house. Right, we're off to do a new property. We're doing a property every day. We're doing one today, one tomorrow, and one on Friday, all in the Villa Salt complex. We're going to do one now. I'll be back in a minute with on live, so don't go too far. Stay there, because in 5 minutes' time we'll be live from a property here on Villa Salt, and I'll tell you about that property and what you can do with it. That's me. That's Spy with Si over for now. We'll see you in 10 minutes. Don't go away.